Hello, finished wiring up the second circuit. This time I doubled up the outputs. We put two JST terminals on there so I could run all six, and all six LEDs are wired. And the other circuit that ran the singles, it tested fine. I ran it for like 3 days. Doesn't power off, stayed powered on. Some of these little battery operated circuits, they'll have a timer in there and they'll power off, but these particular ones here did not. And basically that's what it looks like when it flashes two pairs of the LEDs. And so this thing was a whopping $1.25 from the Dollar Tree, and this is what it was right here. Light up tree topper. That's it. Crack open that star, take the little button batteries out, and probably the button batteries in here are probably worth more than the whole star, but to replace them it would be anyway. But that's what it is. Take that circuit out, and then it's this circuit right here, and then I put the JST connectors on it to extend the leads out so I could run bigger LEDs and then place them in a project. So it'll probably be an upcoming project that these will be going in to perhaps an ambulance. I don't know, we'll have to see, but anyway, it's ready to rock and roll. And then this one's a 3-channel, could be a 6-channel too, real easy, but what I wanted to do was solder on the pads the double connector that way. So little update there for my reference. So that'll be just fine and dandy. That should work great. And then if you had a failure, it'd be easy to change the LEDs, just unplug them. And then I made the power connector. There's a male and female side to these JSTs. So the power connector is actually the female, and then the ones that run from the circuit board are the males, or the females, I'm sorry. Those are the females, and this one is the male. That way I could see that the power adapter, or where the power comes in, is a different plug, and I know that's power because they're all coded the same, red and black. And that way I can differentiate the power input from the LED outputs. Okay, thank you for watching my videos as usual. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.